my channel, I have private server. So this is free, so I'm gonna buy it. So I buy it already. So let's go join our private server. Sorry, I mute in the yesterday. Yeah, I was mute and I am not any friend. So let's make it. So always I'm gonna check if my house is still okay. Yeah. Put that. Let's fly away. No, I want like a car. This one. Just wait. So already, so I'm gonna fly. Wait faster. Yes. Then we're gonna down. This is okay. So I'm gonna park right here. No. Wait. Just hold on. That's very important. So if you play this game, don't join it because I just joined like my mom is in it because there's so many. And yeah, I didn't buy yet someone. I think I have. No, I have. No, yeah, I have that. So I'm gonna check if that's okay. I'm gonna put the fire over here. I'm gonna put here. I'm gonna put here. Oh, wait.
Niyak yung aming charger ko?
No.
Ha?
Ginagamit ko kay mami kanina. Just move it up. No. Ginagamit yata na mami sa kusina. I'm gonna put the fire like that. So, I think I'm gonna put the fire here because something. Let me just throw it. Yeah, that's not. Done. First, we're gonna put some fire. This girl is on fire. Oh, I thought I'm gonna fire. I thought somebody is finding me, so I'm in the private server. Just like that. And another one. Yeah, I just making this house. So, oh my god. I'm done. Don't mind that. I don't know.